Hi guys, this is Simeon here. Today I'm going to bring to you some unedited raw drone footage with my voiceover here. Yesterday was my wife's birthday. I was still feeling quite weak after the stomach flu, and I just wanted to go down to the lake and show you the absolutely stunning nature there right now. The ice is breaking, the ice is melting, parts of the lake are open already, and I just wanted to get this footage to you, how absolutely beautiful this is. Also, at the end of the video, I destroyed my drone. It crashed on the ice and then through the ice into the lake, and it was underwater. The drone is right now being shipped to be repaired. I was able to retrieve it from the lake, and I could still get the footage. So stay tuned for the end of the video for an epic drone crash. And it was amazing that the drone still worked. But here, I just want to take you guys out on the lake, and you see that the ice is very soft. It was over a foot thick. But it has gotten so warm now for such a long time that now there are maybe 2, 3, maybe at some places 4 inches thick of ice, maybe not 4. But the lake was completely frozen this year. This doesn't happen every winter, but this winter was very nice, at least towards the end of it, and the lake froze completely. This lake still has quite a bit of underwater current. Like I've said earlier in videos, 60% of this lake are being fed, or 60% of the water comes from underground spring. This is why the lake is so clear, the water is so good, drinking quality. Some neighbors get the water straight from the lake, and there's a lot of current because of that. There's also, this lake is very deep. Over 100 yards deep, but it's absolutely beautiful, and I just thought it was absolutely stunning to see where the ice was breaking now, and just this almost like a polar landscape of this of this ice here. It looks just absolutely fantastic. It was quite windy, even though the drone did a really good job at handling all of that. But doesn't this look beautiful? You can see how the wind pushed from the open side of the lake. It just pushed the ice together right at the tip of the peninsula and shoved it all together there somehow. Here was going closer, just get some close-ups of how this really looked. Here underneath me, it's about 10 meters deep. This is usually where we put our net in the summertime to go net fishing. But here you can see how the ice is moving slowly. It's kind of funny, when you have this shot here, you don't know if you're 100 meters up in the air or if you're right above the surface. But I'm very close to the surface here actually, and you can just see the movement. A lot of it is actually just little pieces of ice left out here, where the wind has been working with it a lot. Beautiful. This is the tip of the peninsula, and it's a very beautiful spot to hike to and to stand and look all around the lake. Very windy there all the time. Here I was actually losing some signal from the drone, so I was starting to go back again here. Isn't this beautiful now with the lake and the glittering water here? I went back into the shore. I went back into the bay here, I mean, and took you down to some of the islands here, and that is just absolutely beautiful as well. Right around the islands there, the water is warming up much quicker as well. You can see that, and here in a second you'll be able to see how fantastic and how clear this lake is. You'll be able to see from above. And then in the summertime, if we have a nice summer, water temperatures can go between 20 and 25 degrees. 25 is very rare in our lake. It's usually 3-4 degrees colder than other lakes because it's being fed from underground so much. But it's just beautiful. Here you just see how absolutely gorgeous this is. On this island here, there's usually an eagle there, and it just looks beautiful. Down here, look at this. It actually looks like the ice is moving from the water pushing underneath it. Absolutely beautiful nature, I think. Anyway, now we're coming closer to my epic drone crash. I was trying to fly home, and this drone has downward sensors. Up there you can actually see our farm. So this drone has downward sensors, and it stops when it starts flying slower when it comes close towards the ground, and it stops about 1.5 meters above ground. What I did not realize at the time fully was that on this bright ice, and it was much brighter than you can see here. The drone is really making the image darker, but it was so bright the drone didn't see the ground. So here in my descent, it went with full descent speed into the ice and then fell into the lake there in this little gap there. And it actually continued filming. It continued filming right here underwater for about a minute before the camera shut off. And the only reason it turned off was because storage was full. It would have filmed more. The drone was still on after about 10 minutes of me trying to get to it. This water was still ice cold. I took a canoe and pushed on top of the ice and tried to break through the ice. Finally got to the drone, took it out, and it powers on, gimbal still works and everything, but the arms were damaged. But I was really impressed by how well this drone, this product, could actually handle this water situation, because there are so many electronics in it. So good job, DJI. And this is the DJI Mavic. I was very impressed, to be honest. Anyways, yeah, this was a bit of a different kind of video, but anyways, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.